Number 1.
1981 Toyota pickup, price $9,500, clean 2WD truck that has been well maintained and remains in very good overall condition. It is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a manual transmission, offering a classic and engaging driving experience. The truck features a red exterior that has recently been repainted, giving it a fresh and clean appearance, while the gray interior is still in good condition and well cared for its age. In addition, this pickup is equipped with power steering, making it comfortable and easy to drive.
A new carburetor has been installed to help ensure smooth performance, and the vehicle is smog check ready. With its clean title and solid condition, this Toyota pickup stands out as a rare find, especially considering its age and originality. Overall, this is a very hard to find example of a classic Toyota pickup that has been preserved well, and the title is ready and in hand for a smooth and straightforward transaction. Number 2.
1994 Ford F250, price $6,500. This truck is equipped with a reliable 7.5L V8 gasoline engine and four-wheel drive. It shows 100,000 miles, with fewer miles on the engine due to a Ford dealership rebuild at 38,000 miles and a rebuilt transmission at 88,000 miles by Keith Strands in Castro Valley. Finished in white silver, this truck has recently passed California smog on November 19, 25. Recent maintenance includes new brakes, alternator, battery, and air filter, with all wheel bearings recently serviced. It features a 12,000 pounds worn winch with factory-worn bumper, Takancha Commander trailer brake controller, IDS boat loader, and Toyo Open Country/T tires in great condition. An aftermarket alarm is installed, and it comes with 2 sets of keys and fobs.
A camper shell is included but leaks badly. Number 3.
1995 Ford F250, price $10,000. It has 115,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It runs on gasoline and features a white exterior paired with a gray interior. The AC system has been serviced and recharged, the cooling system has been inspected, and the cooling fan clutch and heater hoses have been replaced. An oil and filter change was recently performed, along with an inspection for any engine oil or fluid leaks. In addition, the truck benefits from new tires, new brakes, new wheel bearings, new shocks, and a full tune-up that included new spark plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor. There are a few minor drawbacks to note. The driver's side door weather seal is worn and may allow water to enter during heavy rain. The headliner is sagging, and while the radio powers on, the audio cuts in and out intermittently.
Number 4.
1995 GMC 3500, price $5,500, equipped with a reliable 6.5L turbo diesel engine and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck runs and drives properly, making it suitable for daily use, work duties, or long-distance driving. Known for its respectable fuel economy for a dually diesel, it offers a good balance between power and efficiency. The front grille has been swapped to a Chevrolet-style grille, giving the truck a slightly updated and distinctive appearance compared to the factory GMC look. It is fitted with decent tires that still have good tread life, contributing to stable handling and dependable road performance. While the exterior paint shows noticeable fading consistent with the vehicle's age, this does not affect its overall functionality and can be seen as purely cosmetic.
Number 5.
1996 GMC 2500, price $8,500. This truck has 175,000 miles and is powered by a 7.4L V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and 4x4 drivetrain. It comes with a clean California title and has recently passed smog. With paperwork available, the truck is finished in white with a beige interior featuring a gray leather mix that shows normal wear for its age. The exterior has typical cosmetic wear, including light road marks and small dings, but no major body damage. The bed and tailgate show regular use. It starts and runs well, with brakes, lights, and major systems functioning properly. The tires have decent tread, and extras include step bars, an aftermarket seat cover, and a tow hitch.
The air conditioning is not working. Number 6.
1978 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500. It offers a solid combination of reliability and vintage Chevrolet styling. It is powered by a 350 V8 engine mated to an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and dependable performance for everyday driving or weekend cruising. The truck runs and drives, making it a good candidate for someone looking to enjoy it as is or continue improving it over time. Finished in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this C10 maintains a cohesive and period-correct look. It runs on gasoline and is equipped with a 12-bolt positraction rear end, providing improved traction and durability. With its automatic transmission, classic drivetrain setup, and timeless appearance, this 1978 Chevrolet C10 represents a solid example of a vintage American pickup.
Number 7.
1992 Ford F250, price $10,000. The truck is equipped with a brand new engine installed prior to the current owner's ownership, with approximately 15,000 miles on the motor. It runs strong, has no issues, and delivers excellent power. The chassis and automatic transmission have 220,000 miles and are both reported to be in good working condition. The injector pump was replaced less than 500 miles ago, and the braking system has also been fully refreshed within the last 500 miles, including new rotors, calipers, and pads on all four corners. Cosmetically, there is minor body damage on the passenger door caused by it being blown open by strong wind.
The air conditioning is currently not operational, though a replacement control unit is included and ready to be installed. Registration is current through September 2026. Number 8.
1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. This truck has 227,000 miles and is equipped with a manual transmission. It runs on gasoline and features a 4.3 L V6 engine paired with 3-inch Flowmaster Mark III edition exhaust. The truck comes in a white exterior with a gray interior. The vehicle has been owned by the same owner since 1997 and has great potential, but it does need a lot of care. It currently requires new tires, an interior driver's side door handle, and repair to the passenger side window, which is not functioning. The air conditioning needs to be recharged. There is no rust underneath the truck, and while one wheel has sustained some damage, it is reparable.
Number 9.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It features a clean and simple color combination, with a white exterior complemented by a blue interior, giving it a period-correct vintage look. The truck has a clean title in hand, providing peace of mind for the next owner. Under the hood, it is equipped with a non-original 454 V8 engine paired with a 400 automatic transmission, offering strong performance potential once properly sorted. At this time, the vehicle does not run and will require mechanical attention, making it an ideal project for a restoration, custom build, or big block swap enthusiast.
Due to its non-running condition, the truck will need to be transported by trailer. Number 10. 1988 GMC S15, price $2,800, powered by a 2.8 L V6 engine. It was previously running fine, but it is currently in no-start condition. The oil was found to be in poor condition and has since been changed. However, there is a possibility of an intake manifold or head gasket issue. It is also possible that colder weather conditions are affecting its ability to start. The truck has been fitted with a new battery. In terms of condition, the vehicle will need a right side cab corner repair. A plastic bed liner is included with the truck.